Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Motorcycle Champion. It's a free game and it's really cool. So yeah, I got this bike. It's okay. But yeah, let's get into it. We're going to do an endless game. I have played a little bit. I actually got a really good score, but I don't know if I want to beat it, but I'll try. Yeah, this game is really cool because you control your speed and you go like certain kilometers, and there's like time trials, there's endless mode, and there's like challenges that you can do. But like you have to dodge the cars and like, yeah, it's just really cool. But yeah, like this game is like, the handling is crazy good on this thing. So good. So I'm like 1.5 kilometers, which is not bad, but it's not good. And when you see like 100 go up on the thing, that means like I was really close to a car and I get more points. But other than that, it doesn't do anything. But yeah, like I said, my best is about 10 kilometers. Ooh, that's a triple, but yeah, my best is 10 kilometers. That was like my 10th game too. That was a good game. I'm doing pretty well here. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no, I crashed. Dang it. That stinks. But yeah, let's get into another one. One and go. The start is like really, I don't know why the start is so weird. Maybe just to build up your speed. But yeah, by next episode, if you want me to do another one, say it down in the comments. And if you want to see me get a bike or something, or if you want to see me do something else in this game, please leave a comment down below because it helps a lot. But yeah, I'll try to get the next bike. It's like a blue bike. I don't really know, but it looks pretty cool. But yeah, I'll try to get that. It's Canadian flag. Not Canadian, I'm so stupid. Not doing too bad here. 2 kilometers. Oh my god, no. Right as I said that, I crashed. Oh, that's just not good. But let's get into another one. 2, 1, and go. Okay. Amp up the speed. I also got new gloves. I don't really know what the gloves do, but I did get new ones. They're, I think, the best gloves you can get. Like, they cost the most. So, yeah. Yeah, this game is really cool. Free to download on iOS, Android, PC. Yeah, really any console, too. But yeah, it's really fun, and you can play it really anywhere because you don't need Wi-Fi if you're gonna play on like iOS. But PC, obviously you don't need Wi-Fi, but you can play it on PC. They do have FedEx trucks. I wonder if they're like sponsored maybe? No. But like 2.8 kilometers, so that's good. Now 3 kilometers. I think this is my best run so far. I think my first one was actually better, but hopefully I can get a better run than that this time. Hoping for at least 6 or 7 kilometers. This game looks pretty hard, or pretty easy, but it's actually pretty hard. Like, you have to get your turns perfect. Like, there's a lot of cars, you have to think fast. Okay. It's kind of cool how they actually have different types of cars. Not all of them are different, but they have like white, orange, black trucks and regular cars. It's kind of cool. Come on. 6 kilometers. No! I was so close to say 6 kilometers. No, I was so close. I'm almost level 5 too. But yeah, that'll be it for today. If you want to see me play it again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe on the video. Later guys.